This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for October 26, 2017. Corn market down 1/2 to 3/4. Beans down 3 3/4 to 4 1/4. Chicago wheat down 3 to 3 3/4. Kansas City down 5 1/4. Minneapolis down 1. What can we say? The grain market continues to try to build strength early in the day, but gives way by the end of the day. I think one of the big features here today, dollar index up another 92 ticks. Brazilian real trading lower, or trending lower, I should say. The net result of that, I think, is greater South American sales out of Brazil particularly. Obviously, that's the real currency, and what that's doing is, as we work through the day's session, we're still at attractive enough prices, and those prices get better every day the dollar rallies and the Brazil drops. So we're looking at that circumstance. Farmer selling kind of hitting the market wave, harvest activity happening. Should not come as a surprise. We closed below the 200-day moving average. Would not be surprised that beans can drop 10 to 15 more cents, but would look for support to come pretty quick. Corn and wheat market's still going to kind of trend within this range we've been in from our vantage point. Feeder cattle today up 57.5 to a buck. Live cattle up 112.5 to 162.5. Hog market up 57.5 to 92.5. You know, really tough in the cattle market and hog market to some degree. We're into key resistance points. Good profitability on the table here. Strong Dow, so it's tough to kind of fight the trend, but really just warrants some marketing approaches here where you can have the upside, but maybe look to the puts a little bit to kind of set a base. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation.